Welcome to another travel video. Today, I'm taking you to Alicante, a city of sun, history, and the Mediterranean Sea. In this video, I'll show you the most interesting places and a route worth following to discover the city, step by step. The best way to start exploring Alicante is at Castillo de Santa Bárbara. It's the main viewpoint in the city. The castle stands high on Mount Benacantil. You can take an elevator both up and down if you don't like walking. From the walls, you get a panoramic view of Alicante. It's the perfect place to understand the city's layout. Descending from the castle, you reach the Santa Creu neighborhood. It's one of the oldest and most colorful parts of the city. Colorful houses are decorated with flower pots. People still live here every day. It's a calm and very authentic place to walk. Santa Creu naturally leads into Alicante's old town. While walking here, it's worth stopping for a moment by the San Nicolas de Bari Cathedral. Narrow streets lead through squares, cafes, and restaurants. The old town is also the best place to try local tapas, very popular in this region. In the evening, this area feels completely different. In the heart of the old town, you'll find a wax figure museum. Entrance is free and open to everyone. Explanada de España is a wide promenade with distinctive wavy marble tiles. Rows of palm trees surround people taking a walk. This is one of those places where Alicante slows down and lets you simply walk. The promenade leads toward the harbor. At the end, you'll find the Fuente de la Plaza del Mar fountain. Right next to the promenade is Alicante's harbor, where boats and yachts are docked here. A small waterfront promenade runs along the marina. You'll find cafes where you can sit and watch the sea. Mercat Central is one of the most important places in Alicante. It's located in a large modernist building. On the lower level, you'll find fresh fish, seafood, vegetables, and fruit. The upper floor focuses on meat, cheese, olives, spices, and local cured products. It's a great place to see everyday local life. Outside, cafes are filled with people watching the city go by. El Carrer dels Bolets is a street known for its large red mushrooms. They are decorative elements shaped like toadstools. A short, colorful stop for a walk and photos. Plaza España is an important city square. At the entrance to the Colosseum, you receive a digital guide that explains each point as you explore. Park Canalejas is a park in the city center. It features distinctive trees with very dense canopies at the top. A good place for a walk and a short rest. La Aguadora shows a more local side of Alicante, away from the main tourist routes. Park El Palmerar is one of the most beautiful parks in Alicante. Hundreds of palm trees, walking paths, and water channels create an exotic atmosphere. There is also a picturesque waterfall in the park. It's perfect for a longer walk surrounded by nature. Alicante is a city full of contrasts, history, flavors, and everyday life. It's the perfect place for walking, discovering, and enjoying the Mediterranean vibe. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next travel guide.